so you can't just leave the wheel all in the same place all the time. It's going to make you move it. That's characteristics of a real airplane. Even if you have a clear air, you're flying an airplane, airplane comes in and ripped off course. So all that's built into the sim as well. Yeah. Looking good.
Way too long. I guess nobody's ever tried to hijack.
I don't really know what's been going on overseas. Years ago, I think we did have one.
Hijack something?
Yeah. Oh no, that's
pretty good. You're right down the pipe.
Okay, when you start getting down close to the runway,
wide slope.
Glide right on down
Wide slope.
50 feet.
Wide slope.
Then close the
Wide
thrust
slope.
levers. And
Wide slope.
then look at the end
Wide
of the runway.
slope.
Just level
Wide
it
slope.
up.
Wide slope.
Right about now, close the thrust levers. Nose up a little bit. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Hold it off. It'll sink right down to its own ground cushion.
Three, sir.
There you go.
Yeah.
Nose down. Push your nose down. Push your nose forward.